Mic check, 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 check. Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a favorite recipe of mine which is normally had in winters, but you can have it even during summers where you can use ice. So what am I going to make? It is Dahi Bada, the traditional Nepali way. So it is made with the skin intact, but you can take off the skin if you don't want your badas to become black. It's healthy, it's nutritious, and it is just lip-smackingly delicious. So enjoy the video. Bon appetit!
No way.
Hello! So you think you know Dahi Bada? Think again. This isn't your fluffy, spongy North Indian version. This is Nepali Dahi Bada. It is rich, creamy, nutty and exploding with flavor and crunch. Made with black lentils, a touch of hing, asafoetida and a creamy yogurt sauce. This dish will make you fall in love at first bite. So let's make it! Okay, we start with the black lentils or urad dal soaked overnight until soft. This not only makes them easier to grind but also brings out their natural nuttiness. We grind it into a thick, smooth batter, light and fluffy but not runny, a touch of salt, cumin and a secret dash of spice that adds that signature flavor. Now here's where it gets interesting. Hing water or asafoetida water. You take a tiny pinch of asafoetida, dissolve it in warm water, which creates an umami bomb that takes these vadas to the next level. Time to fry. Make sure the oil is hot and smoking a little bit because we are frying in mustard oil. Drop spoonfuls of the batter.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Adjust the thickness of the batter as required. And we move on to the next step, which is frying the next batch of the fritters. It is important to fry everything together because the next step after that is going to be very crucial for this recipe. Here is where it gets very interesting. you just dunk the fried fritters onto the hing water immediately. Instead of plain water, we soak them in the aromatic hing water, infusing the vadas with deep savory notes. Ah! Another ingredient that makes this dish stand out is roasted cumin ground as shown in the video. While the badas soak in the hing water, let's make the creamiest, most flavorful yogurt mix. Very gently add the soaked badas, squeezing them in your palms into the rich, spiced yogurt mix. And then finish off with roasted cumin, red chili powder, and a fresh coriander garnish. Look at that beauty! And there you have it, this unique flavor-packed version of Dahi Vada.
No way.
So, what do you think? Would you try this? Drop a comment if you love exploring authentic, bold flavors. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hidden food gems from Mystic Mojo. See you in the next one. Oniva! By the end of the day, I look like this. Let me sort it out. I'm just kidding. I just finished with editing the Dahi Bada video, and I hope you like it, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel and stay connected with me. I'll be coming up with a lot of interesting things, spirituality, insights, all that, through a simple medium of 3 words, which is food, fitness, and foray. Foraying into the unknown, not just physical travel, but traveling into the mind, within. And I think that is the objective and the purpose of my channel. We will talk, we will communicate, we will have deep conversations, we will have insights into karma, into the nature of things. Why are we who we are? And all that which makes us human, which makes us special, which makes us mystic. That is why my channel's name is called Mystic Mojo. It's a quest to know the secrets of life. and not just let it go as a mundane, insipid, tepid existence. So here we go, and on y va!